Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to get a standard Mamod piston apart using a hammer, a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. This cylinder of mine is not really of any much use in the way that it's been damaged in several ways, so I can use this one to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to take out the trunnion bolt. Just unscrew that one. Be careful because it's sprung loaded. And that will separate the cylinder from the port block. So that leaves you with your piston and cylinder assembly. Basically what you need to do is push the cylinder, the piston all the way up to the top in the cylinder, and you need to hit the cylinder just here with a hammer. You need to be very accurate when you do it though, because you don't want to hit the cap, because otherwise you're defeating the purpose of the job. So if I just tap that, I'll try and show you as best I can. Like that. And basically what happens is the piston pushes the cap off. Now that leaves you with the other cap on the other end. Similar scenario, you need to use a screwdriver, ideally a plus head screwdriver, which will fit in the pressing in the centre of the piston. You need to use it on the pressing, because basically the pressing is the end of the piston rod, and the piston itself is floating on an O-ring. So ideally you need to use that as a punch. Now this is a bit more awkward, and you'll need to grip it a bit tighter with your hands and just tap it, and then it comes out. And then that leaves you with the piston and cap, a top cap, a cylinder and your ports. Okay, so now you've got your cylinder apart, you've fully cleaned and checked it, it's now time to put it back together. This is relatively simple. Basically what you need to do is get your cylinder block, put your piston assembly and cap back into it, and press the cap on, and then put the end cap on and press that on. Get your pair of pliers, put it around the piston rod like this. Okay, and what we're going to use, again you have to use your hammer, is you have to hit the pair of pliers either side of the piston rod, so that the bearing, the piston caps get pressed on. You'll feel them go on, and basically what you'll have then is a fully assembled piston assembly. So then it's just a case of putting it back together with the trunnion bolt onto the port block, which can be a bit fiddly because the springs are very strong. There we go. And there we have it. One piston assembly put back together.